Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off message nudges on your LinkedIn app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn app. All you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this picture here on app, then it's going to show for you a window like this. Then you just click here on settings and you come to settings window here, just waiting to show for you window like this, and you just click here on data privacy here, and you come to next window and you just go down here. Then you come here to messages notches here, you will click, or message notches, you will click here. Then it's going to take you here in this window, and you come here to message notches, you will click here on this sign or this color, and like you see color, it's going to mean message notches, it's on off now. I wish you know you are great. That's also just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.